Exploring the Maldives, a paradise of sun, sand, and sea. Welcome back to Wander Breeze, the channel where tales unfold and dreams take wings. Today we're whisking you away to the exotic Maldives. Nestled in the heart of the Indian Ocean, the Maldives is a mesmerizing mosaic of over 1,000 islands, each one a tiny jewel in azure waters. Stretching over 871 kilometers, these islands form 26 natural atolls. As the sun sets, the Maldives transforms into a realm of serene beauty. The night sky unfurls its star-studded tapestry, while the sea mirrors the cosmos, creating a spectacle that leaves you breathless. Each morning, the sun bathes these islands in a golden glow, casting long shadows on the sparkling white sand. The days here are long, languid, and utterly unforgettable. But the Maldives isn't just about introspective evenings and sun-soaked days. It's a paradise for adventure seekers too. Snorkelers and divers can explore vibrant coral reefs teeming with life and color. And let's not forget the exquisite Maldivian cuisine. Fresh seafood, coconut-rich flavors, and the unique blend of spices are sure to tantalize your taste buds. A culinary adventure you won't want to miss. Your journey begins here, don't hesitate. For in the embrace of these isles, your dreams will resonate. Subscribe, be a part of our world where new horizons await.